Recently, I uploaded videos showing you testings using R-load, but now I bought E-load so that the current will be accurate. And now I will show you the efficiency comparison between Ugreen 65 watts and 100 watt gun charger of Vention. And later, I will show you the graph of the efficiencies for different voltage outputs. So this is the clip showing you how I tested the chargers. This is the power meter and on the input, and this is the power meter on the output. But if you watch my videos, you already knew this tools that I use. Okay? To compare the efficiency, I need the output power and the input power. This is the summary result of Vention versus Ugreen at 20 volts output, and later I will show you the results for different voltages like 15, 12, 9, and 5. Okay, for this one, as you can see, between 40 to 60 watts, their efficiency is rather similar. However, for ranges about 20 to 40 watts, which is lower wattage, the Ugreen is higher, meaning the Ugreen has higher efficiency compared to the Vention. So, I recommend that when you are to use less than 40 watts, you use Ugreen gun charger. But for greater than 60 watts, I can't really say that much because the Ugreen I tested is only for 65 watts. But in the future, I will also compare this 100 watt Vention gun charger to other 100 watts like Anker. For the 15 volts output, as you can see, at any given power output, the Ugreen is higher compared to the Vention. When I say output, meaning the load, okay? So for every load conditions like 5 to 45 watts, the Ugreen is always higher than the Vention. So even at 15 volts, I really recommend to use Ugreen. Now at 12 volts, you can see Ugreen is also higher at every loading conditions greater than 10 watts. But at lower output loads like less than 5 watts, I think they're similar. At 9 volts, you can see that Ugreen is still higher. But for load that is lower than 5 watts, the power factor is really low. So it doesn't matter who's higher or lower in that range of load. But I think the load less than 50 watts, Ugreen is superb compared to the Vention. And this is the last graph that I will show you. It's for the 5 volts output. Still, Ugreen has the upper hand here. Okay? So, the summary is that the voltage 15, 12, 9, and 5, Ugreen has the upper hand, or which performs higher. But at 20 volts, they're almost equal. So, yeah, it really depends on what you need. If you need lower than 65 watts, I think Ugreen is still better than the Vention. So, I can't really say the up to 100 watt max because Ugreen is only up to 65. But in the future, I will show you the comparison for both 100 watt chargers for different brands, okay? Yeah, that's it. And this is what's good. I am here to help you find mobile chargers or even power banks to know what's best for you.